Ooh, oh, you like that?
Nice. Sign
Rod
right here.
doesn't do that.
Kevin Douglas, welcome to the corner once again.
Having a good old time tonight here out in Sherman, Texas, wrestling for TPW. Tonight I wrestled a guy I've not wrestled before by the name of Askey. For those of you who don't know me, I'm the current NWA World Junior Heavyweight Champion, the modern day hero Kevin Douglas. Yeah, I talk about myself a lot, but I am a Texan. That's part of being a Texan. I'm very proud of where I come from. And I just want anybody watching from Texas to know that just in 24 hours I will defend this belt on national television for NWA Hollywood in the honor and the name of all Texans out there, because every Texan knows Texas is the best. Askey, you get your chance to wrestle the best in the world. You wrestled me tonight to a 15-minute time limit draw. I didn't put your shoulders to the mat, so be it. So next show, August 17th, right back here in Sherman, Texas. You get another shot at pound for pound, the best wrestler in the world. And you get a chance to show that maybe you, maybe just maybe, deserve a shot at the most prestigious championship going. X Division, no. NJPW, New Japan, hitting a bunch of guys in the face really hard, no. The best wrestling is National Wrestling Alliance, and the best wrestler going in the National Wrestling Alliance right now is yours truly, Kevin Douglas. Come out August 17th and see some of the best wrestling in Texas and get a good shot at that belt. Some of the best wrestling in the world.